ndị ọma njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata biko ya gazirigo ya ọma na-ege m ntị n'onu before anyị ekwu ihe ọbụla anyị chikwu biko metụrụ m aka na gịnị share button, metụrụ m aka na like ị ga-echezie ede na itinye kọmentị gị ihe ọbụla ichi ikwu nya biko nwanne anyị nwaanyị bụ Aunty Oge wee sị ka ya reply ya Jpac na gọvanọ eziokwu gbasara ihe ha ji ya wee mee biko ka anyị ga-egodi na ya ntị n'onu ngwanenenu video anụ.
Let me tell you that
left to US 41 North to Sabla Lake Shore Drive. The left to US 41 North to Sabla Lake Shore
I beat Ima Jpac omaro na saga. Ima no ya na akpọ chi ofe afro Igbo ụmụ nwanyị niile je jụọ ya ọ tụrụ m na arụshi 24 ka ọ dị 55 ka ọ 27. Yes, onye na ma gafeela o. Otoro na arụshi ya na fo ya na Ogechi adoso vai. Ogechi. Imana m na-akụju arụsị, imana m na-egbu arụsị ya nwụọ. Oh, they never told you. I am replying to that nonsense. Maybe you don't know me too well. You better go and Google. Ogechi na ofia furu Igbo anụmanụ. Ọmụnwa mere people Jpac na ofia furu agụ is fake as fake. Oh, maybe you don't know my history too well. Oh, body, abo. Oh my God, I've been busy today. My husband sent me an errand. Did you say you see fear in whose eyes? Onye? Ah, my goodness. Oh my goodness. These people don't know me. Powerless. Oh, you did home? Okay. You better go find out. You better go find out. The people that he's a pure scam. Now the people where they go to challenge all these useless thieves. Come on, son. Go and ask questions. Maybe you don't know. Okay, I've been in this game for long. And Jpac, tomorrow I will make a post because I cannot do anything. I'm running an errand, and if I don't complete this task, dim get where me away. And I'm like you go chiku where me away. So I need to make sure I complete it. But this is a question, you know, you're not piasaka, but I can't do it. I got to finish what he sent me to do because it's a work. When they say can get war without end, war that we never have peace. That propaganda and that you're useless or shishi that couldn't make you win election. That useless that nonsense or shit nga choro nda aquaria destiny no there. Bunch of losers, bunch of lazy youths. That's what happened when we go get 5,000 to take your shit out because me share corner ka kone ne kume ka on enyem my I don't suffer visa in a job that they denied you that Canada visa mahina boboge akwa Canada visa you did not consult that oshishi Amadu Hababu Ashim Apari Akokwa Igbo men na ntapa huru kubuo kwa na buo. This set of people and we who brain. Bunch how muke ga na ko shishi gi na kwa aka afogofo. Ina ko imagine oshishi ahụ. The main topic iko shishi that oshishi ye wuru na enwe ho amu param n'ike. He have pro topics that started this wahala. Ga na akọ inyo. Oshishi ahụ chere ihe zogo nunu anọ bịara Nigeria ka m bịa abịa nyụ oshishi ahụ mmanyere Chineke pịagbuo gị na yo useless Ogechi atago ba ahụ chere tomorrow just relax and echi ka atụrụ ga Ogechi the same extent na apụta na agwa unu no ọwụla gara na TV aga anything gị na onye ahụ na-eso okwu n'ikpe mara gị so ikpe mara unu na tell us you're not supposed to go anywhere ma ọwụ nature ma ọwụ arụsị ihe na ya ọlụ unu tamụrụ ya kpọọ ya That's gonna be the beginning so and you will like this kind of a thing. The baby I say baby. Now this is I never seen this kind of thing before. So Saga they touch you like this. They carry people, they destroy them for years. They become the Baba Kono. Hey, I'm running, I'm work to la was spam. A man now was spam. A man that collect. No, why would you reason normal? Why would you reason normal? Now I can't all I'm different. No, I do. And I'm trying to argue that it is not agree. Now this movie go last oh. We go create a lot of episodes.
Ogechi Okeke. Ndewo.
Ogede. Why with respect officer? But now with respect officer. I'm not like no to.
Lord Ogechi Okeke. I'm on Saga Jpac.
Our show Lord Jpac. I hate them. God forbid. Don't call me that name. I don't want me. Mrs. Ogechi Okeke.
I'm on
Okay. Because you make a Jpac, machine who need to.
Jpac help about no so many.
Jpac,
Jpac help about no. Jpac help about no. Help about am say. I'm gonna ask you from him say. Yeah, go on and go about and could not develop their city for how many years? About before Jesus could not
I
bring
like the meme again. I like
development.
the meme again. I like the press.
And the way mother got for this blue app, the other that could not
This
bring
cheater.
investment to them global for how many years? Eh? My brother, you get a mic noise, please. Get a conducive environment, I beg.
I tell you, the cheater.
Anna, go ahead.
Ogechi
Before
I look
Jesus was born.
at so
Eh?
Jpac or Umugu. Jpac
Oh
or
God.
Umugu.
Nah, these people are useless too. Very useless. Continue on because I'm back because you know I'm not ready too much. Where no become.
Jpac. Dishike n'ime ga akwụghị n'azụ.
Na koyeri.
Akwụghị n'azụ.
Ana koyeri.
Efere gem Saka kamgbe past weeks. Dishike. All the pity ha. I used to them.
Nah, and we mother can for na this blue app ejoku m. Ọ dị ka Jpac ajụ ese anya na akpọ ọfịa furu ikpu ụmụ ashawo. Ọ dị ka ọjụ ha about it. I don't come up with this blue app. Hey. La. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Onyeze, udo dịrị gị. No be only Oshishi. It not be Oshishi where older than Jesus. He did not ask question. Die. I went back to Nigeria. I'm on every shrine.
Turn right on North Ravenswood Avenue.
I'm on every shrine. Maybe it's about man, how could the others in the shrine of Nigeria? These people are so fucked up in nature. I swear, my Lord. I know some people, your network was not allowing me. I'm trying to add all of you, but network, I don't know. Maybe a lot.
Oh, Carecia. Nna jikwere awa. Nna yewe ha. Adechara ya si na osisi kaziri ha mma. Hey, Jesus Christ. Ekiriche miye nka so gini na-ekwo ihe nka biko. Ogena the origin. After you see you okay. A comparison about you. Where get compare go. How Jpac did not ask question. I'm money supposed to say so.
My ex-convict. My ex-convict want to destroy him and dump him. Actually, West's entire life for ya. What I go? Ex-convict, he make a sure I damage you. Data tunnel. More finish it. Yeah, but I. Here, put on me. Imo finish be ya. Okay, finish ya.
Hey,
Mbo.
Jpac enter house. If I know you have not enter house since. Enter. Get there,
Yeah,
you
but chere me echi.
what be social
Echi.
media. I got kwa n'ọkụ. Hey, amarakwa mma when the mother na-agwakwa that man okwu ncha. A na-agwakwa ya okwu. Afụga m osisi nke nsọ gịnị na-ekwu ihe nke a biko. Ọzị n'osisi ka Okarisia. Original. After you na still you. I dey see you.
Chai, nkwa kwesịrị iji na-eshiri ewere ya dọma nkwa na West.
Hey!
Hello, okay.
Hello,
Okay, good evening.
good evening.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Okarisia, say make I
You
say
are
hello
just
to you. You know,
my
they
love
watch,
for
they
you.
see everything.
My love for you. My love for you
too much.
is super.
Ogechi Okeke Jaka power.
Let me even see your boldness. They now met this man Jpac messed everything up.
One thing on abu nogide na-ekwu.
They
He
leave.
motivate him a lot. If on abu nkiri like this, on abu you akụkọ isi wee mee nka. Okay, you motivate me a
He
lot.
went
I
solo.
swear. And they look up to you, but I don't be say make I come to do saga. Honest, I come on cap for you. You too much. Too much.
He went solo. He's the height of it by going to Governor
Oh, 4 days. Oh, 4 days. He gave me 4 days.
He failed it completely. Well, look at the question, Julia. Actually, my wedding, Jebeno coach. Hi.
Jesus. Now okay, the man apiti Igbo. Amara mo jukwalese. Jesus Christ.
Actually, my wedding,
That question, Julia, can you well done this your life? I followed you.
Jpac,
That single question. That single question.
My sister, somebody who my brother.
If I tell you the amount of that question should waken the conscience of every right thinking Igbo man.
Of course.
That question has a price. That question has a price tag that's supposed to pull him down to a situation where he will cry and ask himself question. Okay, you see that question you ask him, you just bought my love.
Yeah, thank you, my brother.
That question gave me another dimension of your wisdom.
Thank you.
Understanding, the boldness, the courage. It's not everything, but that question's very simple.
Thank you, my brother.
You want to work, you go to church. You are looking for who to curse, you go to 3. Imagine that stupidity and that foolishness. That question, I just needed to talk to you.
Thank you, my brother.
I just needed to talk to you.
Thank you, my brother.
Okay, carry on. I na watch.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, my brother. Take care.
I just have to tell you that I love you.
Thank you, my brother.
That question waking my conscience.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother.
Okay, take care of yourself.
You too, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Take care.
Bye.
Thank you, my love.
Yeah, bye, my love.
Facebook wahala. Leave me alone, no. Guys, share. They are reporting me. Hey, Ijuwa, Okalisikike, Osilike. Guys, I'm trying to add a lot of you. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, Jpac ga mati home nwe. On a deal somebody IQ ya the more than money boy ga say. My brother Ogechi is very intelligent. Do you know that? Hello, my brother, you're welcome. Okay. You're highly welcome.
Igwela ya ka nwụrụ.
Jesus.
Ekweta na ọ na-eme. Ọ na-echichi. Agwara Jpac na ọ na-akpọ ntu. Ya gawa na ala ọkpọ ntu.
Sorry, give them that one. Don't you know na akpọ ntu? Ọjọọ ya si ịkpọ ntu ọ wee joku ọ wa. Chira sim tomorrow.
Ya gawa ala ọkpọ ntu.
I wrote all my points down.
Igweja. Igosila ya na nwaanyị ka nwoke. Enwe nwaanyị ka nwoke.
Yauna ex-convict, and you work destroy your eh? That man will not leave him. That man will make sure that all finish his remaining. That man, he has a mission. He has a mission. Imagine. Now let me tell you another thing. Imagine. Okanambra Diebuba, Borogichewa nowhere. Iwu from Munagishi from Mpanese. Munage with the same Mpanese. Where he get Kosara and Yebamwani. Ebani Shipotowa. And he said that Syria could not win election for him. Do you know that that man has subdued you and collected the destiny? Imanogara there, go and collect the amount of go as an Anambra man. Imagine how you have belittled yourself. Imagine when I tell you today you lack common sense, your IQ is very poor. Until you realize who you imagine an Anambra man and half power in an Anambra.
I love once.
Hey, Jesus. The same three not there. And then go on for years. No development came into their place. The same three could not give them development for how many years? And for the same three Hanaga, if not that God intervened, you saw Ebukobi, Hagan and Gobala. Gobala can Hoku till today. They don't have lights. The same three Jigitarunu. None of your youth to Panuru. You don't have common sense. Common sense you lack. Common sense.
Honestly. Okay, the shike. I forget now.
While you were on you kunubo. Are you not the one that said on you kunubo? Your follow man brought you to nothing. Gaga to their own abba. Are you okay?
It's you're going to barrier.
My sister, go ahead, Joe. My sister, go ahead, Joe.
I
Time to go get out. They won't Good day, my dear Dada son.
Ogechi Okeke. Ogechi Okeke. One night work out ala hospital.
Namakwamo, how can they chew you?
It is one night work at sleepless nights.
What is going on?
I'm gonna be hopeful. Okay, look at that on your test.
Don't say no, man. He's too daft. He's too daft. Remember again at Jpac with a very low IQ. You did not believe me. Onye gonna get put up now. Ya bog in the meat. Get on you put organ. And can you remind me? Amam, I was trying to bring a lot of people. I'm not coming here and media network. You know, and I call it. Tomorrow, you guys should not forget to join my life. Jpac. Share this program. They are reporting it. Share. Bikono.
I think already tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Share the program. Tomorrow, I'm going to post. They alert. I'm going to post the time I'm coming.
Doya, bam tomorrow. Doya,
Two of them now. Two of them are they not partner in crime? Now them are not ex-convict. Now doya. Now boy. I will scatter their lives.
Okongwu dibia don't hand chani never. Don't shahani.
Okongwu dibia when man or one young he's sick. That person is already dead. Let me focus on them Puropota. I don't want to be distracted. I want to focus on them Puropota. I'm here make a lot of network. I'm my here on Nigerian problem. I don't know. What I go?
Giga comment how opposed to people finish your lady. Give us Soromchia, give a comment. You didn't bother na way about. Or the give comedy grad.
Or shall have not provided evidence. The first evidence in the no school to tonight. I gave you guys Ikea. Ikea is number one evidence. Yeah, guy by question evidence. Or mention who to laya or want to or mention who to land or want to Hanshini or to Lama. Now we have evidence. If any ammo has ever entered this hotel, the most important person. If actually were to la who share no shishiaho. You were to la who get share no shishiaho. Evidence bukweki. Man of evidence agaga. Gana to evidence. He has already with that battery. Oh, man. I thought you were sleeping. Now that report to my video. Guys say share. I couldn't leave my video alone. Now this people who don't want joy. Especially when I was like this. Share no she's ask your to la man want to. I will joke wherever no window want to. Let me dollar. Bunch of idiots.
Okay, Ikaraka.
They're very idiot. How can you serve two masters at a time? Think in a church go away, dear. You know that you're not. People will look at you like you're useless because they don't know where you belong. You don't know where you belong, and nothing you make will work. Let's assume I'm guilty because of your serving two masters at a time. Nothing will work. How can you each in a church and not already for how many months? You guys are. When we get common sense. God. Because they are reporting me.
Ya have evidence so good Ikagari.
They want up to them get what to like a ship. I want to Copaga to like what you have no shia. No, the very useless. I did not accuse your hand. All I accused was your ass. You actually were to the one I do shit. Tomorrow, make you not miss my program. Share the program.
Exactly.
And then one who got accused you on Napamano Shishiaho too. Napamo to Lage. Gabe Waraka Kopama and Madoham. You need to go back there. You need to go back there. Let me early tomorrow can go how you gonna nurture that your rubbish nigga. You need to go back there. We're on again. You pupara. Get what to Lage. Or to Lama. I'm papa. Simple. Hello. When I join him, how far? In our home, I don't know go. Can you hear me? Huh?
Hello?
Yeah,
Good evening, ma.
yeah, good evening. In electronics.
No accessories.
Okay. You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine. I just want to applaud you, Jishike. No?
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you. Thank you, my sister. The business again. Oh, Ebeki located.
Abia State.
Because Jana Abia State got patronized and our sister. Oh, Jana J patronized here because on a accessories. Each all accessories. JD Ajezoria. All wine and bambo. These are the women. And I hear GK, huh? They are not in a group where they use their EK to sell. Because God get a patronized. They will make a chariban on Wehuru. You know what I go? All right, Jishike na. Oga Barage. Jishike. God bless you. Dala. Ana koye. Na koye. Ya gati. Tell you tomorrow. I want a lot because I let video man drop on my point. Drop on my tomorrow. Everybody, get on ready tomorrow. We will see to the end of this. Igawa Benabara. My brother onye osumenyi ibia destroy your business ya. Ichefule. Nke achọrọ ije mega arrest mgbe ịgaga Egypt. Did you remember that when many people you destroyed their lives? Did you ever take them? People that I destroyed their life, you never see anything. My brother onye osumenyi ofunne chimgaba destroy your business ya. Actually mega arrest in Egypt. You did not remember the people that you shattered their marriages, women you called that shower and labeled them different manner of rubbish. Because continue on, because na career gacha man, gacha man, gang bang 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 bang. Hello, can you guys hear me? Continue, because hello.
I na need to go or check them.
Nah, I beg my brother. I beg you.
O check them. Jpac have Ike got Tatamo Shishi. Here,
What an irony of life. Not clear.
Mother baby dance. Happy evidence.
No, that will be Zion program. Oh, come there must be Zion program. Make people that one because we are better than paying you, Makagene.
Oh shit, you got some chair. You may not, you may try some chair.
Not going.
Room chair. I won't go there.
Not going. I'm not going. I'm here with the network. No.
They go up for good.
I'm going to report to the video. Click love and like. They are reporting it. Click share. Not going. Tomorrow, don't forget my program. I'm appointment. I'm not here. I'm on go for a long time because I'm a share. I go on.
Okay, one name madu. Check can Joe. Okay, Jpac. Where Jpac for a heba? Where her or I say the one here. You go to lay her. Where Okumaka?
I come going again now. He wasn't specific. Question. My brother was trying to add you. In my Jpac instead of him to Tabosi. Always you Abara. Kurumu national nature. In my hatch, actually, Buankate boya, a boya. Actually, Buankate boya. I worried that I have a nature. Because I didn't want nature. Everything. Oh, she will hedge it. Warosh. I watch she warosh. Say anything where you lay hand, they say narosh. All those things are rubbish. And when the nature rubbish, all those things are fallacy. Because as I want to do one of the shit. Out of Shipamanganga, I buy a shade lawyer. Good. Now you went to this particular place. Whoever goes to equity goes with clean hands.
Exactly.
You want to go now? Igaradia. Eburum gishine kwa he cause trouble monage. You what you should have done Abara kawu nature ebu puteremu na Ogechi nature and when I'm this young lady accused na nna ya repuru ya nature and when I'm putara kwuo na Ogechi boro ya onu nature and when I'm putara made this young lady accused na omu imbecile gbagide ha n'ụzọ and when I'm putara made this young lady accused na omu one of 3 different men in one. And when I put made this young lady accused no na agba egwu na strip club. Nature. And when I put na this girl lokoro mpa ya kpoga ya nga. Nature. This ya woroma. This thing ikwuru awuhe eziokwu. Nature ogbuomu. But ogwana na owe eziokwu. Nature to Ogechi gbuo ya. You didn't, let me tell you whenever you want to go anywhere, you need to say, I got so what started the same thing, what started everything, right?
Sure.
You will start looking.
Exactly.
Yeah, everything put na social media na enwere nke we eziokwu. That's in the Chumambuum. But all who ya that this thing gave bookie. You wasn't specified. You it was na tampa rubbish. Nena kwakoko. E garadia na everything mu baragi ni mere mu nam to gidere gashe. So we garadia to say nature do not ask question to Ogechi ko bu Ogechi. I want to understand it. Challenge tomorrow. I'm going to be my hitch Ghana nature. I'm water the basic fund. I'm actually matter the architect of you going there. Everything he brought this lady to come and ridicule her life na social media. No one know where she oku abara to Ogechi gbuo ya. But I want to know why she had to Ogechi. Did you ridicule? And when I'm getting specific on all these things you said, that you accuse me that Abaramku na bennemu na wuhu bennamu. Were you able to detail all these things before you lay in this allegation? And when I made my pronoun na ndo so many banish rimu no so many banish my mother. I don't understand the grievances. I don't even understand why you went there. I want to understand because when you go there, you need to tell them there's certain reason that everything you stated is nothing but the truth. Now, but I want to get Ogechi Okeke. Yakwana ikuri yeshoku choma Ogechi buoya. Is it not the basic way to deal with this thing? That this false information you brought out in the blogger say bunde hetero Ogechi naturally e puriyanaga. No one always shoku choma mbuom. You lied against me with all manner of lies, and you still went to Abara. I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm locked on ya ganga 3 years. It's a fresh fool. Ipuru no Ogechi, but nigga will put a video about Ogechi and Nana look. Ipuru that Dampamu Namshan Pamure Purumu. Maybe you have forgotten. I'm reminding you. Ipuru that Namlo Kurumpamu up no puto. Ipuru that Namu no Tongamuriane. No we baragi. Ipuru that my mother was caught to a bonnet in a mukoso at Chopoya. Ipuru Nando so many banishirimu as a maha. Ipuru never dirimu na nebembre traditional wedding na Igbo na ona manke my mother. Maybe you have forgotten all the damage story you put out there 2019 and 2017. That all bloggers in the Boromugwa are capitalized here today. Burianaga. And you think I will spare you? Hell fucking no. You need to go back to that Abara. List everything I stated here. You want to go? And then now we begin. That job Abara buputere picture nama. Ko another person buputere ya. Akwa hepitoroku. Akwa hepitoroku. Ko you want another thing hepitoroku. Maybe I am not. Maybe I cannot. Maybe I'm not well articulated. Please, remind me. I'm not here to see Gazi and Abara. One can get a CBO. This life get a CB. This life get a CB. You ridicule me. You peddle all manner of false information. The only son my mother Murunalo with. You sat down. You manipulated and manufactured lies, and you put it out there. And bloggers that hate me with passion, a bruya, lied against me in where and when. And you did not remember all this damaging information that only Tigano Yaganashi, whoa, or Ogechi. And you didn't say it. You did not specify it. Go to bloggers that hate me with a passion. Go and listen to them. That was exactly what they are using against me. And you did not remind Abara that everything you said were all lies. Imagine that he gave me one, you know, way put an empire. You didn't say it, but always say puta. Beshabara. Ya ora ni me pelana. Hey, did I get that? Oh my goodness. Igabamu wall. Igabamu wall. Igabamu wall. That's your prostitute wife that you were chatting and then you go on a record where she push water. That's a shower guy who their evidence. My father go. I am not leaving you anytime soon. I am not leaving you. We are just starting our journey. Ex-convict, can so that nature cannot give him a victory. Oga kuchindi ranya, konya victory. That ex-convict in America, how many years in the people? Or that nature couldn't give them. Jesus could not give them the peace and the joy in that place. He couldn't develop a place for how many years? Oh, what Jesus Christ. Oh, what Jesus in development. Let me block this Chris Mary. Some know them. Oh yeah, Otila. Goodbye. Goodbye. You want to go? So keep lying to yourself. Ghana bara osumeni. Muna gimwene ambara. I know namba ne se. I know namba ne se. Muna gine shiko eriko. Go to mbane se ambara. Amro how osumeni wupo. We are mbane se. We are one in accord. Oye jishi mbane se. Mbane mesi fike. 5 of us. JD Adeshi, everything you have ever said, na lo swa, na lo kwa, again. That is it. Why would you leave Ebe? Adekana, Eba amurumu, ga hapu Ebe amurugi, hapu mbaga alrugo ga gawana ngo bala. Ga gawana ala ontu Eba no, oweba nke bitoro na wagidi ntu. Oweba ka bitoro bo wagidi ntu. You went to allow one to Amam na add you know na hekwe. The thing you keep saying that network una I don't know. Amam, I don't know. Check your network un. Eh? Gaga wana la gebe mo na gibe. Go and summon me na losumeni. Eba ho ka amono Eba ka mshiputo wa. I was born and dedicated to Allah. Go to our land. Kaiga present here all the damage you made to me and the ones made to you. Let's see. I'm gonna get you from a different place. How did you go to Imo State? Imo State. Himself, my mother is from Imo State. Negi get you from Anambra. Kezi he bara na this place. Anamaju. Kezi bara to another destination of our place.
Okay,
Thank you, my sister.
okay,
Good.
okay,
Hey!
okay,
Hey! Chara munama po chai. Hey! Nanamu. Arina shim gabia. Arina shai gabia wedding biko no.
Auntie Oge,
ihe ji bụrụ gị gaa na mkpu kịta ka ịkọwa mkpu mmụọ na-agwa gị akọ n'akụkọ mkpu ihe akụkọ ndị mgbu from echi ya bụrụ na ifu ebe gaasị dị fuel weta ma machisi kpanye nye onye asaga nyekwuo ya onwe nke ichese echese wee tie nwanne gị nwoke nọ na Etiopia ma evidio si na ihe a niile n'ikwuri ọ gaghị ikisi n'ikwuri pipụl n'ikwuri ihe a ka ihe a na-emere ihe a ka ọ dị etu imeri ya adịghị ntị ịgwa gị ịmara ndị nke gị apụtago ma ndị na-agbata aga na-akpọ saga na-akpọ gị na Ogechi sọsọ elu nka na-eme onwe ndị na-afụbi ime ama
Auntie Oge, good evening, ma.
ndị na-amara ihu ama ndị ifubi ị ga-agba ọsọ the saga pioneers ha ka nọ ma retired not tired.
Thank you.
ị ga-agba ọsọ maka Chukwu.
Nkiru oji voice gị na-eplay na-agbawo because ha bunyere ya na Nkiru.
Ị ga-agba ọsọ ụta ha ejikwe panye gị ka a ga-eji panye gị anaba anaba echeta ebebe apịa gị saga ị ga-afụ na saga nwee bloody wounds mgbe oge
anụ gị Nkiru nne m
eri saga chenji eri ịma na onwe ndị nke onwekwe ndị otu na-akpọrọ ya saga akpọrọ ya kọlọ dị swai sọsa aka na-agbụ ya ndị saga pioneers apụtabe ndị bildịrị saga oge ka ị na-azọ imere ihe a ịma na oge amara saga oge wait let me tell you onye distract na m Jpac nwee ihe o mechi na-edu nwa dike mana unu amarọ ekwu eziokwu ka ewepụ aghụghọ Jpac a nwee mgbe ọ pụtachi ogechi ihe ahụ ọkasị na ha na-ana pasenteji wepụba the guy bụ onye nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ wee gwa ka ihe otu gwa pipụl na ha na-ana pasenteji wee gwa the guy tret ya na ya ga-agwa ndị ma na o nwere ọya buru nka obi dị pepụ the guy. Oh, when somebody that I know call on a phone, now hear that down of that door, man on the now see one of the guys like 4 come more down. You notice that guy had to on down in Muzo now. They take all that in your one up and he put in a phone to he gave book the status here. He put his bomb.
Thank you.
It's not when I want he got collect. He get go say one hour. Yeah, he gave what my feet or Jerry, with the hotel room with a condom number.
Thank you. How about my join evidence? Thank you.
I see.
Huh? Yeah, man, then looking at attack again, get in our wasagi to pay. He may get close to get a lot of harm. No, get in until 1 year okay to you, Jebutafi Dome, Tapa de there. One day, walk a sitting with you, saw that Ariapanapabu. Oh, if you never did that work, Apania couple got this thing so get you before. Governor and Casey could Jebutate.
Oh, videos,
oh, could I watch him, man? I watch him, man. Not that near me, yeah, what we got, we have.
Thank you.
Where the Kubo,
because I didn't go and look for the video and come and post it.
Monte. When you're doing a general Udruponati never Magia. Now, what I'm carrying here. Magia. Now, Pia had the saga. And I have Pia here wine. Now, so. Oh, cooler than first you see, I forgot. I coach really. You fool me, dear. What's the good get you? I'm putting about the car. Yeah, Corona. You fool me, get you. We'll call us to get up. I need your kind of wow. You can't be quiet. I'm and keep as you put it on.
Auntie Oge, good evening.
Irugara na Igbo. Imandi destroy Israel kill Budibia. Who put the guy who didn't make it destroy ya nanto.
Thank you.
You mean come even this are boy son or bro mad in your gane yon. Imai made the guy.
Jpac am I?
Imandi me good name. Imakamba gezoki, but only in a kiddy woman will be Kubana. On a Pukado. Come back some of the big men be already wedding now to go just back a saga and the big man like that. A lot of people. One adoro to Beje, in the village, in the island is Okuta. They are coming on Jpac. Did that. Oh, you after the video. This is just after walking mad no room. We are born. The post, yeah. She like a bog. Why am I the bitch with a picture?
Jpac and Brickilla. Oh, Brickilla can be sworn. Jpac and Brickilla.
Then you go after because you can go say everybody around mad.
Exactly.
Everybody to hold this guy. You go evidence.
Go say I love my own sister. I just some bagging to one thing why. Okay, my home, big ammonia. You go say,
oh, yes, the woman where she won't
he go spoil my sister, my own sister. He go spoil hotel, Ebon or area. People say, now I'm a room number. I need the room number. Open I use condom that day. Why in Cobona? You need to tell us when time comes. In our body, Jenna, he's an Apukaka, no Gakos now come. Nanyonia in hot. na-enye ndị sokwe na-amapụta ndị nke sokwe gị na-aza na-amapụta ekwekwanye ya nwe udo na Krismas taa enyekwana onye apis n'inye ya onye ọbụla sie
me and my baby stand with Ogechi on this one.
Oh, thank you, my brother. Nkiru otu nne nnetu nne m o.
Nye ya the thing.
Otu nne m o.
Nye ya ana ala nwa.
Hachara mụ na ya ga-ese okwu forever. Hachara onye mụ na ya wụ the same Anambra Imo State.
O jikwa ebubo jikwa arị o jikwa. Nwedi ihe mmadụ mee this boy aka na-ekwukwa ikwu ọzọ. Oji na arị. Jpac
nga nwe iyi na ereba nwunye mmadụ.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ga ngoro m iyi ereba nwunye mmadụ.
Makwa ifa egwu ntesa ga ya na-egbu anyị na-egbu ụzọ John na ga.
Anyị enyo n'egi.
Anyị na-ogo Ogechi enwe ihe ọmama.
Amakwa Ogechi Jpac. Ihe dị amakwa na ihe mma. Kọkọrọ m ka mma na amakwa m.
So nna biko anyị na-abịa ga-egosi nwunye mmadụ ahụ ọra.
Oke na Abuja last year nkọ na Abuja.
Bido si na ebido bụ oge gbanye ya.
Na a ga-ebunye oge mbọ.
Oge gbaa ya dịtị.
A ga-ebunye mbọ go why this guy.
Ọwata ka saga saga.
Mba wata ka saga si aga. Ọma saga. Thank you. Ebe Nkiru kọlọrọ. Nkiru all the same person ha punyere gị na-ekwu ihe a na. Nda dara be.
Yeah, old saga talk.
Oh saga talk.
Fresh one nke ebe ọ na-eme.
Ọ bene play portion ora.
Wale no is talking about bleacher.
No, this saga.
He's talking about bleacher. And I want to know again.
And the Jpac, if you need to watch, I can't do it.
Thank you. Nkiru ask me out. Oh, he can't accuse. Come on, Papa, I know she. Yeah, what I can't Papa. He can't make them accuse. Yeah, he can't name accuse.
Okay, you are not the first person that said that thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Contact letter and upon to Jpac.
Oh, yeah. The mere Ogama Woka. You know, to go to Casa was like, okay, me a job. Ojo Matillo Jabunya Sagandonia. So cool.
I'm talking about the Kande. Could I want to be off from my
house in a lot of Karian? You can put my name go demand. You make a web the page. My foundation.
Jpac, why you on your ex-girlfriend? No, love it. Jpac, why you on your ex-girlfriend? No, love it. Jpac, after this question, you have to talk Jpac. This one.
I actually have
Joy Jpac. Come on, I'm a woman. You're young, what kind of ex-girlfriend?
you but not to auto or Purugini. Or when you it is again on
Listen, I want to ask Governor that ex-convict Dura Jpac Gawana upon to na condemn all the DBA I don't see any
Thank you.
I condemn no one by one.
If you don't set it, the Tom Bahane promote to an app, we make it have a tax collector, and you have 250. We had just 40 coaches.
Yes.
You get coaching back.
Yes.
Yes. Weapon does, weapon does, Unamana, who bought this native daughter. gba ka ajipụtazie wee sị na ọkụ na-atụgo na ke mafia alịa na ngo gba ka ejipụta omebi ọkasị anya na ndụ mee so many things even ma mgbe a sị na a na-achụgharị okongwu dibịa na o nwere onye nchaka ma onye a niile ba
Ashi, now.
wee mebie di ma mebie ọtụtụ.
Thank you, Ogechi, my brother. Again,
I'm Jpac this small.
I am actually I'm very small. But Grandma Corona again. I'm the small. I call say Kogana wa shawo na gini ogara ka eza ha ebe ogara. That Dakar ko wugina aga. Ye rudia. Yes, she has ya no ga yes she actually just sign ebe ogana na ndo kia wine. No kia woki. Ye runga hakim bana afọ ya buru ibu. That they will not continue.
Onye ame mgbe ahụ ọnụ mgbe Chinedu Nwadike ji gwa pepa Chinedu Nwadike gwakwa ndị mana na ndị machi nọ ya mama ha na-anya 20%. So that thing spread ye. Ọgbachasa ga ahụ fish inyere ya ka gbatara ya
Yes, Kiru a lot. Kiru, thank you for the 90
so many things in the so after that thing, we call this man now phone. The man getting the so what we want about that. See, and the other warrior. No man can you kill it. She be threats with the man. The man need back on our here. Somebody that I know, a man, boy and Abanya, the Unyang warrior demand, the man, boy is saying me saga. We now hear Biko. Now you say I want this man saga. Who should get the wrong one you say for now, say negative in a boots. You
are right, Kiru.
The man will be fair to Chile. The Chile that get Quinata, or Chile to get a Yaga Saga, or Brass Canava. Since Saha, a Ninichunya, Ninicha Yomaha, Monaquifunke, 191 year we ganara. He got a hotel room in Bonare because Madame
evidence. I don't have evidence.
Hotel room now. Hotel, everything.
Okay. I'm gonna Jpac in a room hook up.
I am gonna get na. You know, my Hagara Kata has no hook up Kogara. Those women are some banafaya buribu and damn we are pay. Yeah.
Jpac, when time come,
Welcome, Chris. Feedback for my brother.
Time ruo. Bank I got one in a bed in a number. You get with the bed number.
Thank you.
With my condom number. Because he but I
Everyone are rapport to get why
every get a Garagana Majuko and the process of Kwabajia. Now this guy, this guy, and the process of being a Gara, no Yamaju.
they call this man a fool. This man
minor thing.
Makaran demand where people say and why we go on the man in your 20%. The thing really the man where somebody who take the thing. The man he may see the man a better na here. He put the man a phone see about and he gave me and can he got one man all those things we found about it. Only man on a phone, one on a phone money. Yogi people think he got one be free, but I'm going up with him quick and don't get free. By that time people go this man a phone, the man never beg one. Now say biko, you know what the man got cast here. The man a cap for to make a ubi short of your faith. I went for a man they cook upon that condition.
Okay. Do you remember Mr. Ibu and one Mr. That girl? That's a girl for Chili Jpac that time. That girl now.
He got why you about to tell me cool on that. The cool the guy can get Bunegim boss. A question number, the guy gave Bunegim boss. Cool down. Jasmine Koruga Kuponye, people know you. Here we go, can hate it. Here, Chile do I can hate Yigi. Eat Ogechi after now, but yeah. Only 20,000, only 20%. Money now, but it.
Jpac.
Money now, but it okay.
I'm not my sister.
Now, what it any man you now?
Good evening.
If after Zion Abazia, Ogechi Egypt, not a granite, do to Zion or
Let me see.
If we end down there, man, ex-convinced is a confused guy. Why Jpac did not do she na? Come on, and appear Nike.
But
Yes, now.
okay, can you go to Jpac? Or you go?
Yes, of course, now. A holy man, one year potra, why I see your game test, you only a bill a gola. And took a big one of game test, bigo, comes
Timba.
again.
How many is that bag?
Just imagine.
ihe chinedu nwa dike a wee miwe just do na kolota ma na-ege anaghị ihe anaghị mgbe ahụ okpogo demand oke oru ka demand ya na dama mkwuche demand na anya si akpakwana chinedu saga so demand na court on Jpac kpọọ chinedu a na-ebe akwa like this I can't hear the voice the thing dey mmiri so demand na-agwa chinedu na ọma mgbasị ya dị saga na ọ ga-agwa ha nka na ọ ga-agwa oruzere ụtụtụ ịchasị na chinedu a ngwa n'ile anya chinedu ma gba ọ nọkwa n'ụlọ ọgwụ ọ na-ekwu okwu orubeghị ọ na-ekwu okwu akwa ewetego ma visi ọ ga-ejije ndị a dị next door nwụọ taa ọ na-agba nwoke ime a na ahụ adịrị ya nwoke ọgbọ gị na Abuja kwago ha toro mgbe ihe ọ bụla ọ na-eme ọ na-enwe pasentaji unu furu na che na ọ na-eme ezigbo ihe
Eziokwu.
Ịchọkwa hookup, ọ ga-emekwa gị hookup.
Aroma, but
bye.
Baby, I love you. I love you, baby.
we love. Hey, Baroma, Apumaga. Baroma is in love. Apunumo. And when we love, oh, Chacha, Biakba, Bialero. Chacha and them Bialere in love, and then when no love. Cheap a lot.
Nico, is that my brother, Agbara?
It's your brother. Your brother is in love.
Is that my brother, Agbara? Hey, I will give testimony. I'm so happy.
I'm telling you.
I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, John, I love you.
That's
life, sometimes I did. I'm a mia or Roby, but him obia bam 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 obia cool down. You understand? Because more abuchala what they were planning, now they were planning to, you know, fight and Kiru. I just laughed. I think I told Alicia they were planning, but because I came out to say that Hannah planning fight, they withdraw. They wanted to fight Kiru now.
Alisa many things. Alisa many things.
Yes. So after the thing Hannah plan. Oh, you mean Jisigi? Yeah, Alicia Gwagi that you should speak to Kiru. If Kiru comes.
Yeah.
Because that's go move their plan and what they wanted to do. Kabia push Ogi. Nah, Ogechi, Jinky and Kiru. Ogechi, this, that. And that's okay. They want to push you, and tomorrow they will not use it against you. So my hot Hanaga game out Rico. How plan the Chaluta Shaba and Kiru war. You know? No, we they look them, they laugh. But me, I know waiting day. So I don't quality see how after that can Kiru Munaya Kruna phone. They need to reach to Oge. So speak to Oge. Go ahead, you understand? So and I'm so happy that their plan did not succeed. I'm so happy. So Agbara Omuwai, I'm happy, my brother. My brother from
Ndomai.
I na the calculative. I just put a bamba. Each eye had the correct. I had the calculative. But it is well, Sha. There's nothing like peace. Only the cow though. Because after maybe and Agara Ukosisi, this saga, the movie, this Netflix, too sweet. So when you make recorded video, so now I got see from burial ground, from Odmodu to burial ground, so go see to Sharma. Hey God, this Netflix Igbo movie industry, Netflix is a banner. Anybody wait miss and forget. But okay. Amaghị m na emere vidio agara ukwu osisi mụ apụta na-eme vidio si gị mụ apụta na-asị gị butuo mụ apụtazi na-enye advice sị gị butuo amakwa m mụ apụta mere vidio na-asị gị oge biko let's go ama m na ị gara ebule gị gaa ukwu osisi but I noticed one or two things. Number one, biko ọ na-eme that thing you sleep oyipụkwara akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya I watched the video very well. Number one is meant to connect with the earth if actually, you know, ọ ga-abịa agwa anyị maka dị n'ọmụa ọ kwesịrị ide ebe a sị na pichọ eji ebu ya ebubo na ọ bụ onye na-akpọ Chichi London onye a na-akpọchi pilot na onye nwa wepụtara 15 ebe a kwesịrị kọpụta ya and Ogechi papa gị repụrụ go and ị na-atụ ashị Ogechi ị na-agba club na Chicago ị na-eme stripper Ogechi nwa gị wee mbe ọ bụ na ọwachita tụtere gị osisi a n'ala ya kụwukwe emo ọ bụ na ọmụnwa wepụtara pikchọ papa gị a na-ebu m ebubo osisi ala ka otu ahụ ji si na ọ bụ na ọmụnwa wepụtara pikchọ ahụ papa gị nọ n'elu bed elu n'ala kwụwuo mụ pụta ọ bụ na ọmụwa m onye ọla wepụtara elu na adị ga-akwụ ya kwesịrị ime bụ ọ ga-eyipụ akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya tinye ụkwụ ya make connection with the earth buru aja ịma mgbe Shanamite mere nke ya o jere na anị nna ya na ngwa anị abi ji ekpuru aja si na ọkwa Jpac na ekpuru ahụ o mere that time si na a na-ebu ya ebubo nwa agwata ya Ogechi nka na-akpọ afa biko ama m ọkwara afa si na aja ọ na-awụpụta na o nyere ha 7 days ka how many days na ha niile ga-ahụ nchicha eche modizi ntị ka a gara ime taa so my brother Jpac, you need to go and do that thing, but you have to do it in your father's land. You have to make connection with the earth. You know why? Let me tell you the benefits if your hands are clean. Now, earth is where we all came from, and that is where we return. Earth has ears because when you plant things, it germinates. Earth is a living being. And that is why you dig earth to bring water. You plant yam into the earth and it brings new. Anything you put into the earth, it comes. When people die, they put them to earth. They put people back to earth to come back. So, my brother, you got it wrong. So what you will do now, what you need to do is go to your village, Barokunani. If possible, may at 12 midnight. 12 midnight, water. Ima that place no cold in Nigeria is heat. So 12 midnight. And you they go to the Gosing de Mado. Nino night, this is 12 midnight. So now you're making the way you came to the world is the same way you make that prayer. If you want it to be very effective, see okay. Ọ bụ na ọ bụghị nwa wu Chinedu Joseph Egbuna onye wepụtara picture papa Ogechi ihe a mee gị but ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ gị nwa ndị ewepụtara ya post ya ibijiri kọpịa ya nke a na-akpọ Chichi pilot ihe a mee ya ọ bụrụ na ị na-atụgide Ogechi asị na papa ya erepụ ya na ọtụrụ papa ya nga ihe a mee gị but ọ bụrụ na eziokwu ihe a mee Ogechi ọ bụ nke a Ogechi si na nka na ngwara ya na onye dị otu a na-eme nke ọ bụrụ na ọ wee eziokwu ka Ogechi na-ekwu ihe a mee gị but ọ bụrụ na ọ washi ya this is how you do it and then ị kwụrụ aja as you're speaking it ị ga-eburu aja n'aka your right hand and then biri ụkwụ gị naanị so you're making both yourself the sand you're holding that you're speaking into because you're speaking life into the sand and then your legs are on the earth. You understand? Meya, and then to clarify yourself, do it in your village. Gongo azumoke iwu. I will omenani. So meya na village gi or ijekwano na village Ogechi ha na ewu. Like you promised us, you're looking for address. You go there, buraja. See how Aja Ebu. Aja Osumenyi, 4 clients. Now 4 represent the 4 market days, and 4 represent the 4 corners of the earth. So everything you speak into the 4 corners, it comes to reality. You understand? And it's also in the Bible. So I'm telling you that omenani no na akwụkwọ nsọ. So even Osumenyi, ibia ipuru aja, he call for Aja Osumenyi. Abịara m taa ka m bịa sọmọnụ nwa n'ugwu Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ihe a ka o kwuru maka m. Ị ga-agba ọtọ nna. You have to be naked the way you came to, if you want it to work. Because so the tree, you already have sins, the tree. But if you know you're clean, if you're very sure that you got that thing from my page, then this is what you need to do to cleanse yourself. And for the, if not, all this thing you're doing, you know the work. We don't do here. Aboike, everything we dey here, we go nowhere. And I'm with the professor of movie industry. I mean, they write the script. So I'm not made the video later, but I did what I play. I'm not saying, hold on, what's going on?
I'm telling
And
you,
then I not realized that.
I was so shocked.
Why can do anywhere, because women will go, they are goddess
They got
themselves.
there.
So they can do anywhere, and the goddess, their prayer will go. But as a man, as a traditional man, you need to be in your father's place. Any man name anything outside, it will not work. But a woman can do, because women bet forth. Oh, wine and so, but ịbụ nwoke ị kwesịrị ịga n'ala nna gị jee kpụrụ aja, but a woman can do it anywhere in the world. That is how it will work. Okay, ka m hapụ gị. Ngwa, thank you.
Okay, sir.